going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel for today. A recipe, y'all. Today we are making Mexican pizza, and everything in this shot is what you are gonna need to get it done. And all the ingredients will be listed in the description below. Let's jump into it. So the first thing we're gonna do is get our onion sliced and diced. Once those onions are done, we're gonna go ahead and jump to the stove and turn it on. Get our pot, or I should say pan, hot and ready, because we are going in with the hamburger meat and the sausage. So I used 1 small packet of hamburger meat and 1 small packet of sausage, but the sausage I did only use 1/3 of it. But it's up to you. You can do equal parts, or if you want more hamburger than sausage, then you can make that adjustment. And the seasoning you see me doing here is the Creole. Now we're going in with some taco seasoning. We just want to make sure that our meat combination is perfectly seasoned. And now we're going in with our garlic powder, and we're just making sure that all these seasonings are covering the top of our meat combination. And here we have a paprika lemon lime mix. This is one of my favorite seasonings. I have only found this seasoning at Home Goods. I'm sure you might be able to find it at Marshall's, because I feel like Home Goods and Marshall's have the same things. If you can't find it, that's fine. You can use some paprika with a little bit of lemon lime splashed in there. As you can see, I threw in some onions, and I'm just cooking those onions down till they're translucent. Now we're jumping into our bean mixture, which is gonna be so delicious. In goes that can of beans, and we are gonna make these refried beans our own. We're just gonna get them mixed down enough so then we can start throwing in what we need. The first thing is gonna be heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna use about a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. It's up to you how creamy you want your beans to be. The next thing going in is some Tabasco, and again, this Tabasco is gonna be to taste. If you like it spicy, go ahead and go a little bit heavier. My family is not a spicy family. They like a little bit of spice, not too much. So you see, I just did a dash there. Here comes the diced pickled jalapenos. This just adds an extra flavor to it, gives it a nice little tang. And in goes the Creole seasoning, of course, because you want the beans to have a little bit of seasoning as well. And we're just gonna mix that up and get that all incorporated together until we have it at the consistency that we like. Now we are placing our tortilla in a frying pan with a good amount of oil. I fried about 10 of these, so I started with a good amount of oil in there. And we're just getting them to their crispy golden brown, just like you see here. That's the perfect texture that you want. And now we're gonna start building our pizza, y'all. The first thing that's going down is our refried beans. We're just giving that a nice even lay down. Next thing we're gonna throw on there is our meat combination, and that's going on real nice and pretty. And you can put as much on this pizza as you want, as much or as less. And now we're going in with our cheese, and I added some green salsa because I love this salsa. Anything I could put it on, I'm putting it on. Here goes the top of our pizza, and I'm just making sure it's nice and snug, pushed down. It's not coming apart. And now we are adding our salsa on top. The recipe does call for enchilada sauce. I didn't have any, So this is what I chose to use, and it was fire. You can also use this without using any tomatoes, since it is a chunky salsa. It already has the tomatoes in it, but I'm a fan of tomatoes, so I put more on top. We're just gonna top that salsa with some more cheese, as cheesy as you want it to be. Once that's done, I'm going in for more tomatoes. If you hate the tomatoes, leave them off. It's still gonna taste delicious. You make it to how you love it. Now this is the final product before we get it into the air fryer. Once it's in the air fryer, I set it to 400 degrees and I left it in there for about 8 minutes. And once it comes out, you can see how crispy, how everything came together. I topped it with some sliced green onions. And this is it, y'all. We did it. This is our Mexican pizza. So let's have a final look at our delicious masterpiece that we have created. Y'all, I'm telling you, this is better than Taco Bell itself. My mama wanted Mexican pizza. We rolled up to the drive-thru. They said they were sold out. So we rolled home and I made this for her. So I hope y'all enjoyed. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share this with all your friends and family. And until next time, y'all, bye.